Welcome to eCivil Way YouTube channel. So, in the previous class, we introduced regarding rain gauge that is mostly used in measurement of precipitation. So, we need to know about all about rain gauges. Rain gauges. So, let us discuss about type of rain gauge. There are two type of rain gauge only. One is non-recording rain gauges, recording rain gauges. What is non-recording rain gauges? Any rain gauges which only give you the value of depth of rainfall, average rainfall, but not anything like intensity, velocity, time, span, all kind of these things are missing. Beside depth is called non-recording rain gauges. It is the rain gauges which does not provide the distribution of amount of precipitation in a day. It simply gives the amount of precipitation after 24 hours. As you can see from this pictorial representation, you can have only 24 hours precipitation data which will you have as a value of depth in millimeter, centimeter, foot, inches, whatever it is. This instrument consists of a funnel like a funnel type of arrangement which is mostly 3.5 millimeter in diameter, 3.5 centimeter in diameter, which collects by which the rainwater has been collected to this storage to this storage and a scale is attached to indicate how much water has been collected due to rain, and this depth this depth gives you the accurate amount of rainfall occurs after 24 hours. So that it is. Now come to the next and effective point about rain gauges, which is recording type rain gauges. These type of rain gauges are classified as there are three main type of recording rain gauges, that is tipping bucket rain gauges, floating type rain gauges, weighing type rain gauges. What is tipping bucket rain gauges? The tipping bucket rain gauges consist of funnel that collected the channel channels the precipitation into a small seesaw-like containers. After a preset amount of precipitation fall, the lever tips, dumping the collected water and sending to the electrical signal. An old-style recording device may consist of a pen mounted on an arm attached to a greater wheel that moves with each signal sent from the collector. In this design, the wheel turns, the pen arm moves either up or down, leaving the trace on graph at the same time, making a loud click. Each jump of arm is sometimes referred to as a click in reference to noise. The chart is measured in 10 minutes period, vertical line and 0.5 mm or 0.015 inches horizontal line, and rotates once every 24 hours, and is powered by a clockwork motor that must be manually wounded. So these are the pictorial representation of tipping bucket. Here you can see this is the seesaw bucket type arrangement. This arrangement consists of two type of bucket, which is generally can hold 2.5 mm depth rainfall. After reaching 2.5 mm rainfall in each bucket, the bucket will the bucket will uh, goes to downward, and the second bucket will come to collect the next rainfall data, and a graph is attached, and a pencil and a pen type of arrangement is attached, and a graph is also attached there, and a graph will generate which will give you the desired value of rainfall. Then come to the float type of rain gauges, a class of rain gauges in which level of collected rainwater is measured by position of a float resting on surface of the water. This instrument is frequently used as recording rain gauges. By connecting the float through a linkage to a pen that records on clock driven chart. That is it. Then come to the next point, that is weighing type of rain gauge, which is commonly used in India. A weighing type of precipitation gauges consist of storage bin which is weighted to record the mass. Certain models measures the mass using a pen on a rotating drum or by using a vibrating wire attached to data logger. The advantage of this type of gauges over tipping bucket are that it does not underestimate intense rain, and it can measure other form of precipitation like rain, hail, snow. This type of this rain gauge are however more expensive and require more maintenance than tipping bucket gauges. The weighing type of recording gauges may also contain a device to measure the quantity of chemical contained in location atmosphere. Here it is the weighing type of rain gauge, which is most common rain gauges. This also called siphon rain gauges in India. Okay, this extremely helpful for scientists studying the effect of greenhouse gases releases into atmosphere and their effect on level of acid rain. Some automated surface observing system, that is in short form we know as ASOS unit, uses an automated weighing gauges called AWPAG, all weather precipitation accumulation gauge. These are the arrangement. There is a pen arm, there is a pen, there is a collecting bucket, there is a weighing mechanism which leads this pen to draw a graph.